Worried about health? Want to boost your immunity? Welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to tell you 15 foods that will help you boost your immunity naturally. So let's get started. Number 1. Mango. The king of fruit, mango, not only tastes good but is also rich in vitamin C, vitamin A and potassium. It acts as an antioxidant which helps to boost our immunity. Number 2. Walnuts. Walnuts contain several nutrients that play a role in supporting the immune system, including vitamin E, vitamin B6, copper and folate. Walnuts have also been shown in research to reduce psychological stress which help to maintain immunity. Number 3. Turmeric. You may know turmeric as a key ingredient in many curries. This bright yellow spice have been known for years as an anti-inflammatory, antiseptic and antibacterial. Turmeric also contains curcumin which acts as an antiviral as well as immunity booster. Number 4. Watermelon. Like other fruits, watermelon is packed with vitamins, minerals and other nutrients. It has a large concentration of lycopene which makes watermelon a superfood. Lycopene gives watermelon its red color and offers health building benefits including reducing respiratory inflammation which helps prevent infection. Number 5. Carrots. Carrots are full of vitamins, nutrients and fiber. Carrots are an excellent source of beta-carotene which gives them their bright color. Carrots also contain antioxidants which help your body fight against free radical, cell damage and inflammation. Vitamin C in carrots also provide an immune system boost, helping you get through cold and flu season. Number 6. Broccoli. Broccoli is supercharged with vitamins and minerals. It is packed with vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin E, as well as potassium, magnesium, folic acid and many other antioxidants. Broccoli is one of the healthiest vegetables you can put on your plate. The key to keeping its power intact is to cook it as little as possible. Number 7. Garlic and ginger. Garlic is found in almost every cuisine in the world. Garlic has antiviral, antifungal and antibacterial properties. Together, they boost your immune system. Plus, garlic is an excellent natural blood thinner, which helps to lower cholesterol and high blood pressure. Ginger is antibacterial, so it helps to support the immune system and it can help to prevent nausea. It decreases inflammation, which can help to reduce sore throat. It is also a natural blood thinner and contains an anti-inflammatory compound called gingerol, which relaxes blood vessels. Spinach. This delicious leafy green vegetable helps to protect you from several different angles. It contains vitamin A which supports your immune system as well as antioxidant and beta-carotene. Plus it contains vitamin C which is a powerful immune booster and vitamin E which helps to protect lungs and liver. Number 9. Green tea. Green tea are rich in antioxidants called polyphenols. Polyphenols are efficient infection fighters. They protect the body against potential viruses, infections, and sicknesses. Green tea is also a good source of amino acid L-theanine. L-theanine may aid in the production of germ-fighting compounds in your T cells. Number 10. Papaya. Papaya is a great source of vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C and vitamin K and is known as an excellent immune booster. Papayas also have a digestive enzyme called papain that has an anti-inflammatory effects. Papayas have decent amount of potassium, magnesium and folate, all of which are beneficial to your overall health. Number 11. Almonds. Almonds are packed with vitamin E, which acts as an antioxidant that helps the body to fight against illness. Researchers have found that almond skin have numerous health properties. Chief among them is stimulating increased white blood cell production, which help the body to fight against viral infection that causes illness such as flu and the common cold. Almonds are also an excellent source of copper and manganese. Number 12. Red bell pepper. Red bell pepper contains more vitamin C than citrus fruit. Vitamin C increases the production of antibodies and white blood cells, which help fight against infection. These are also a rich source of beta carotene, which boosts your immune system. Bell pepper also keeps your skin and eyes healthy. Number 13. Citrus fruit. Citrus fruit have good amount of vitamins and minerals that your body needs to function properly, including potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, and copper. Additionally, they are rich in plant components that have various health benefits, including anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Examples of citrus fruit are: first, oranges. Oranges have good amount of vitamin C. Every variety of orange contains more than 100% of your recommended daily amount. Number 2. Grapefruit. Just like oranges, grapefruit are also a great source of vitamin C. They have also got a significant amount of fiber and vitamin A. Number 3. Lemons. Lemons are high in vitamin C, a natural antioxidant which enhances the immune system and has an antiviral and antibacterial properties. Number 14. Gooseberry. Gooseberries are an excellent source of vitamin A and vitamin C. Hence, it helps to boost your immunity, metabolism and prevent viral and bacterial alignments, including cough and cold. Its nutrition profile also comes with a wide range of polyphenols that are also known to fight against the development of cancer cells. Number 15. Pomegranate. Pomegranate contains more than 100 phytochemicals. Pomegranate seeds get their vibrant red color from polyphenols. These chemicals are full of powerful antioxidants. Pomegranate is a good source of vitamin C, vitamin E, folate, potassium and vitamin K. It has antibacterial and antiviral properties which help to fight against infection and viruses. Also practice yoga and exercises. Get adequate sleep and try to minimize stress for the better result. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Until then, be marvelous and stay healthy.